Take command of the road in the 2015 Infiniti QX60. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, power front seats, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, a power rear cargo door, and leather upholstery. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.